how to efficiently process long soft or sensorless. Let's see together. This model is TCK700Y and the maximum precision is 15,000 mm. It equips BMT65 driving turret, state rest, and hydraulics geostock. The Z-axis is bounce way. It offers high rigidity and good stability. Now show the processing result. If you are interested in this machine, please contact me. We provide 24/7 online support.